Stanford University.
The NeuroCircuit is a consortium, it's a set of projects where our ambition is to create a completely new way of understanding the brain by being able to turn on or turn off parts of the brain. Very relevant for a range of illnesses, schizophrenia, depression, post-traumatic stress, where the very ability to think is impaired. One of the major limitations to any desire that we might have to manipulate brain circuits is that our tools are really crude right now. Yet our understanding of the brain has advanced tremendously with all sorts of brain imaging done in healthy people and in patients.
The goal of NeuroCircuit is to bring forth new technologies of transcranial magnetic stimulation and ultrasound neurostimulation, and to direct those technologies to change activity in the brain and change connections between different areas of the brain to try and deliver some treatment to these diseases.
TMS, which stands for transcranial magnetic stimulation, is a method that's been in existence in one form or another for about 2 decades. You run a current, a very, very powerful current, but very transiently for a couple hundred microseconds through a very heavy-duty coil. The amazing thing that this does is it induces a magnetic field, and then when it passes over neurons in the brain, which lie just under the skull, it activates them.
So what I'm going to do next is
We're proceeding both with TMS and ultrasound neurostimulation. This is a novel technology that has been revisited just a few years ago with the discovery that ultrasound, the same sort of technology used for imaging that everyone's familiar with, can actually be used to change neural activity. We have studied it in the retina, and ultrasound can very effectively change activity in the retina. And so we hope that it can be used more flexibly in the entire brain to be able to reach to the deepest parts of the brain. We see ultrasound as the neurostimulation method of the future. With this technical development and understanding, we see this as being able to stand in for TMS, both in terms of getting a narrower, a tighter focus, and also reaching deeper structures of the brain.
In theory, you can get to the point where you go to your doctor, you get a diagnosis of what your brain disease is, in your mental illness, which circuits are abnormal, and then the treatments you get are non-invasive manipulations of those circuits to restore function. That has tremendous implications.
For more, please visit us at stanford.edu.